You're a monster, monster, monster.
You do not have what it takes, and you never will. Warrior. Sleep now.
Baby bike naked again.
Fight without conviction or
What's up? I got to take the tank off. But what I was saying with Gsxr, he helped me with this. Those are 2 LiPo batteries out of an RC car. I'm running the 4-cell 8,000 milliamp. That give you 16 volt.
sleep now. The weak are nothing before true power.
Look at this. Look at this. This thing had a couple different colors on here.
12 seconds later.
Got one side done. There's a whole lot of paint chipping on that gray part. A lot of priming to do. I wanted to show y'all this real quick. Check this out. This is a road race car, and they just built this bar inside of here. Yeah, look pretty good. They said the top just comes right over the top of it to where you can still let the top back up. That's cool. Look at he got his shirt off. Also, I don't know if this is going to be classified as a bike or a car. I don't know. But I'm going to try to keep y'all coming along on the progress of this thing. It look like it's going to be epic for real. I ain't never seen nothing like this.
Fight without conviction or purpose. Fight. Attack. Defeat.
Cut one side, and all he did is flip the aluminum
Sleep
over,
now.
and that's on the other side. Who would have thought?
Sleep now. Sleep now. Warrior. The fight
old
is
one.
over.
Yeah, yeah. Now the hard part, bending this mug. I think that might be enough. I mean, I don't. That's good. That's what they want to see.
Pulse I've seen on thin stuff is a really high speed pulse.
He don't want me to see it.